A circular coil of radius 10 centimeter, 500 turns, and resistance 2 ohm is placed with its plane perpendicular to the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field. It is rotated about its vertical diameter through 180 degree in 0.25 seconds. Estimate the magnitude of the EMF and the current induced in the coil. Horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field is given as 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. First, we'll see what are the given values. Radius is given, number of turns is given, resistance R is given, horizontal magnetic field is given, delta T, a 0.25 second rotation through 180 degree. What we have to find out? Estimate the magnitude of EMF and current. Yes. What formula you have to use? Yes. That is again Faraday's law. First, we will see the flux. What is the initial flux? What is the final flux? Flux formula BA cos theta, but here number of turns are given. So flux becomes NAB cos theta. Initial flux is NAB. Initially theta equal to 0, cos 0. So cos 0 value 1, you are getting NAB. Then it is rotated through 180 degree, right? So now theta becomes 180. Cos 180 value is minus 1. So you are getting minus NAB. Then we will go for change in the flux. Change in the flux equal to final flux minus initial flux. Final flux is minus NAB minus initial flux is NAB. So you are getting minus 2 NAB. Okay. If you take only the magnitude, you are getting 2 NAB. First, we will find out change in the flux. 2 into N value 500, B value 3 to 10 to the power minus 5 into area. How much you are getting area? Area equal to pi r square formula. Here, radius is given as 10 centimeter. If you simplify, you are getting 0.01 into pi. That you are getting the answer 9.42 10 to the power minus 4 Weber. So magnetic field, change in the magnetic flux we got. Okay, now we'll go for the formula. E equal to minus d phi by dt. Now we are induced EMF is always negative. Therefore, no need to bother about this sign. D phi by dt. D phi 9.42 10 to the power minus 4 divided by dt equal to 0.25. So this is the answer. 3.77 into 10 to the power minus 4 volt. This is the induced EMF. Then we have to go for current. What's the formula for current? I equal to E by R. EMF, we got it. Resistance is given as 2 ohm. So we are getting 1.89 into 10 to the power minus 9 ampere.